What if you could see your brand's performance across every platform in one clear, real-time dashboard? In this video, we'll explore Vista Social's reporting and analytics and how you can use the new reporting dashboard to track performance, uncover insights, and make smarter decisions. Earlier in this series, we've already connected our social profiles. As soon as you do that, give it a few hours for us to fetch your post data and you can start analyzing your metrics. You can access all of this from the reports section of the dashboard. You'll have access to a dynamic reporting dashboard that gives you a live, high-level overview of your performance, where you can quickly run reports, create custom templates, or schedule report emails regularly for your team. At the top, you'll see key metrics depending on the report you choose. For example, in the profile performance report, you'll see a summary of your total followers, posts, impressions, and engagement, along with trends compared to previous periods. This gives you an instant snapshot of how your content is performing. We're currently looking at cross-channel insights. This is your bird's eye view across all connected platforms like Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, TikTok, and more. You can quickly identify what's working, what's declining, and where to focus your efforts. If you want to go deeper, you can filter by specific profiles or platforms. For example, you can isolate Instagram performance to analyze follower growth, posting frequency, and engagement trends over time. The dashboard also highlights key insights automatically, calling out major changes, performance drops, or growth opportunities, so you don't have to dig through the data manually. As you scroll, you'll see visualizations like posting timelines, which shows you how frequently you're publishing content across networks and how that correlates with engagement. You'll also find breakdowns like total posts by network and engagement by network, helping you understand which platforms are driving the most impact. At any point, you can customize your view by selecting different profiles, adjusting date ranges, or applying filters such as post labels, so you're always looking at the data that matters most to you. And if you need to share your insights, you can export reports through a shareable link in a PDF or a CSV format. Vista Social gives you the flexibility of both real-time dashboards for quick insights and structured reports for deeper analysis and sharing. That's the overview of Vista Social's reporting and analytics dashboard. Make sure to check out the rest of our Getting Started series, and if you need any help, our support team is always here for you.